This is a kettlebell clean and press. We're going to go from flexion to extension to flexion. Then we're going to load, elbow and knee are going to touch, and we're going to press up. Ready? Athletic stance. Set. Exhale and clean. Elbow and knee touch, and press. Ready? Clean it. Elbow and knee touch, and press. Switch hands. Now you're in your dominant hand because we always start with either non-dominant leg or non-dominant arm. Ready, set, athletic stance, clean it. Elbow and knee touch, exhale and press. Let's do them together. Ready, clean it. Elbow and knee touch, exhale and press. Perfect. Ready, clean it. Elbow, knee touch, exhale and press. Great.